I've already been up. I had to take the older boys to the bus stop, which is kind of weird because they're being, a lot of people think it's weird that I take them to the bus stop because they're almost teenagers. Can you believe it? I will be a parent to teenagers. I feel like I'm getting old, but I'm very young because we started having kids at a very young age. So our kids like practically grew up with us, you know what I mean? And Maddie is like the child that, she's in my, I wouldn't say older years, but she's the child that I have more patience with. I do stuff correctly. And you always have that do-over, baby. um, so good morning. Maddie slept in her bed. Like, Maddie's doing amazing things. Like, let me get you guys great lighting. Maddie's doing an amazing thing. Maddie's fully potty trained. Maddie stopped breastfeeding several months ago. That was the first thing she stopped doing. She's still 2. I mean, I want to enjoy she's still 2 before she goes into 3, because I feel like once they turn 3, the time just kind of like fly on by. So she will be 3 next month, and I'm sad because she's growing up, which is good. But so she stopped breastfeeding. She's fully potty trained, which I'm proud of, and we transitioned her into her own bed, which that's how I do all of my children, except for the twins. They were preemies, so I couldn't co-sleep with them. But all the other kids I co-slept with. So it was time usually I transition at 3, but because Maddie was fully potty trained and stopped breastfeeding, and there's no need to have her in my bed. Plus my husband was wanting back our bedroom, because that's that's just a space that's just designed for you and your husband, not a toddler. So he was like, I want her out of my bed. I want to be able to, just cuddle and just, so that's interesting, because it's been several years since my husband and I have been in our bed by ourselves. So that's going to be very interesting. And then, so the little one is still asleep, so we're going to go wake her up and get her dressed. She's been sleeping since. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Stretch, 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 stretch. Good morning. Hey. All right, so I gotta pick out her clothes. Yeah, about that. All right. Get her shirt. I like this shirt. It does not fit. Raised by a strong woman. My neighbor, the one that I'm really close with, she got her that for her birthday last year. And then she's gonna wear it with that. And then I think I keep her shoe at the bottom here. I think I'm just gonna have her wear her these. With it. And now I need to get some sock. Her drawer is a hot mess. The purple. And there's some purple socks. Yep, let's do purple socks. Did I get dressed? gotta get dressed. Gotta take Bob's to school. Come on. Come on. Come, baby. Oh, look who's here. Sissy's here.
Go downstairs and watch on the TV. You sure?
Come on. You sure? Watch your clothes. Watch your clothes. Come on. Ah, good
You get to
morning.
sleep later.
She's enjoying her bed. That's all I can say. I don't know. She's not wanting to wake up. What time is it? Well, we'll come back.
Yeah.
Come on. I have to.
Maybe I'll leave the light on.
Yeah, you can leave the light on. You want me to come back? Watch me go down the stairs and she's going to be hollering. Get the brush so I can brush your hair. Remember that day I was fussing at Jaxson? Jaxson, come get signature. Remember that day I was fussing at Jaxson about his grades and telling him, I tell him he needs to bring up his grades? Well, I got something to show y'all.
My hair is gonna break.
No, the front of your hair, I need to brush it up. What are you talking about? So, if you look closely right here, it says his RISE quiz 100, his spelling test 100, and his Bible verse 100. And she wrote, he's awesome. He's awesome. And I wrote, thank you. Because I know what he's capable of. So him bringing me less than... Is she crying? Okay. Him bringing me less than work is not acceptable. Now she's crying. And now I'm already doing something. So I hate when I set out time for her and she chose not to, participate or cooperate or it's hard dealing with her. All right, where's the brush to do your hair? So, what's wrong? All right, I'm gonna go get the little one here. So, he's doing good. So, I changed the living room around. You ready to get dressed? All right, let's get dressed. All right, let's do this again. You ready? Come on. To use the bathroom downstairs because she needs to pee. I forgot to turn off the light. Can you run up here and turn off this light, sweet girl?
Okay.
It's hard.
I made her stare.
Oh, you got your breakfast ready. Now you just gotta pee. See, this is how we do it. Teamwork. This is a teamwork effort. So, hold on. I gotta put her shoes on. And then we gotta brush up her hair. You don't want to put your shoe on?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, hang on. Your cereal? We got pee-pee first. We got pee and then we eat cereal, okay? Yes. Who's a big girl? Madison is a big girl? Is Madison a big girl? Is Madison a good big girl? Yes. I think Madison is a big girl. Okay. All right. Come, let's go pee. Come on.
Hold it, like directly.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna go pee pee. Right there. Ready. It's 7:06. Wow, time has gone by so fast. I have to prepare lunches for these two, which is gonna be a bean burrito. Gonna do bean burrito, and then I have to find bowls. Let me show you guys what I'm working with this morning, because this is a morning routine. Not with 5 kids, because the older ones are gone. Look at that. It's like, I don't know, trying to find bowls and container under here. Oh, it's bad, you see? Bad. So I'm gonna build me a pull-out shelf, and I think this weekend to combat that, because I can't work with that. So I'm gonna heat up their lunch and stuff, and then try to get everything crammed into this video, because it's already 14 minutes long. So they're having burrito. This is a pickle full messy, chips, mandarin orange, applesauce, no veggies. I guess this could be veggie, I don't know. And this guy's having no pickle because I don't have any space for it. I could put it here, but no. So this is it for their lunch today. And I'm not recording this because I'm cleaning out my pantry and my fridge. I have to do a really big grocery haul on Friday, so I have to get everything out. Dang, Rob, your wife is banging. Why the toddler had to ruin it? All right, let's go, guys. Go. No. Oh. Get in jail. Put your belt on. We gotta go. We have to go. I mean, I'm not late or anything, but I don't like feeling like I'm late, so let's do this.
Put your phone right there.
With that said, that concludes our... Ooh, I forgot to turn off the light. With that said, this concludes our morning routine. Coffee and all of that, but this is it. Bye, guys.